Good morning, and it is morning. I messed up the intro last night by not hitting the record button, so I'll have to tell you what we had for dinner instead of what we're making for dinner. Anyway, we had oven pancake with bacon and apple. Oven pancake is a very common Swedish dish, and I'm sure lots and lots of Swedish families were making it last night. It's cheap, it's easy to do, takes care of itself in the oven, and the kids love it. So I do hope that you'll watch the rest of the video, which I recorded last night. The first thing we need to do is set the oven to 225 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat. You are going to need an oven dish. This one is about 27 by 29 centimeters. This is usually enough for 3 people. The recipe says 4, but if you have a hungry family, I would figure on 3. So if there's more of you, double up the recipe. You're going to need eggs. You're going to need 3 eggs. So bring out the eggs. And you're going to need milk. About 6 deciliters of milk. We want 2.5 deciliters of flour, 6 deciliters of milk, and 3 eggs. That's for the actual pancake batter. And then you'll need some salt and some pepper as well. Now, before we get started on the batter, take your dish and put it in the warm oven to warm up. We're going to use that to fry the bacon before we pour in the batter. So in a mixing bowl, put in your flour, and about half of your milk. That's about half. And a little bit of salt. Not too much. Maybe like half a teaspoon. As usual, less if you're making it for kids. Now we just want to whisk this together. Oops, my eggs are going all over the place here. Stay eggs. Until it's nice and smooth and no lumps. Once that's nice and smooth and no lumps, add the rest of the milk and the eggs. And then just whisk that together gently. Next, you want to take your bacon and just cut it like this. In the recipe, it says to use 280 grams. I don't have quite 280 grams of bacon, so I'm using what I have. I think this is about 200 grams, but that should be fine. Now, once your pan is nice and warm in the oven, we're going to add the bacon to the pan and let it sizzle for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to cut up an apple and put that in the pan and pour the batter over it with a little bit of pepper as well. Just like this. We're just going to leave that for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to take an apple and cut it into pieces. You can tell I'm not a real chef. Add some pepper to your batter. Once your bacon is nice and sizzled, let's let go of some of its bacon fat. That will help the dish not to stick to the sides of the pan. You want to sprinkle on the apples. and pour over the batter. I think if I'm going to be making more YouTube videos from my oven, I'm going to have to clean the oven. This is looking a bit of a mess. Believe it or not, it wasn't that long ago I cleaned it. I don't know what I was cooking in here that splattered so much. There we go. And just leave it in there for about 35 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes. Okay. So once it's nice and brown and puffed up, we take it out of the oven. And there you have it. Oven pancake with bacon and apple. Cheap, easy, family friendly. I hope you'll try it. This is traditionally served with lingoberry jam. You can substitute cranberry would work, I think, and so would maybe blueberry. My grandson eats it with strawberry jam, but what we do to make it a little bit more healthy is we mix cottage cheese and see if I can show you this lingoberry jam. But like I said, cranberry will probably work. If you can get a hold of lingoberry, what it should be. So about half and half of the cottage cheese and the lingoberry. Just mix that together. Serve this up with a little bit of shredded carrot with some olive oil. Some apple cider vinegar. A little bit of black pepper. And there it is, all plated up. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you're going to try this dish because it's a perfect weeknight dinner. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.